You want her to fear losing you, not out of manipulation, but to finally make her realize your worth, to make her chase you, to make her feel what you've been feeling. This is dark psychology, and if you use it right, it changes everything. Step 1. Starve her of validate. You're too available, too easy, too predictable. That ends now. Stop complimenting her constantly. Stop texting first every time. The moment you pull back your attention, she'll feel the shift. And curiosity will eat her alive. You're not ignoring her. You're just no longer feeding her ego for free. Step 2. Show high value through scarcity. People don't value what's abundant. Be less accessible. Take longer to reply. Say, I'm busy, even if you're not. Let her wonder what's keeping you occupied. The moment she feels you're not always there, that's when the fear starts. Scarcity creates value, and value creates fear of loss. Step 3. Be mysterious, not predictable. Stop sharing every detail. Tell her just enough to spark curiosity, then stop. Leave her guessing. Be unpredictable with your mood, your schedule, your plans. When she can't fully read you, she'll start obsessing over you. Predictability kills attraction. Mystery fuels obsession. Step 4. Make her jealous. Subtly. Don't shove it in her face. That's immature. Just let her see that other women find you interesting, that you're social, confident, desired. Maybe post a photo where you're surrounded by people, smiling, or casually mention a fun time you had with someone new. She needs to feel there's competition, that she could lose you to someone better. Jealousy, in small doses, is powerful. Step 5. Mirror her energy. Then drop it lower. Match her texting speed. Match her affection. Then slowly dial it back. Humans mirror what they fear. If she feels you're slightly colder than her, she'll instinctively turn up the heat. Let her feel that imbalance. She'll chase to rebalance it and win you back. Step 6. Become her dopamine source. Then cut supply. Be fun, addictive, charming. Create high moments with her, laughs, memories, late-night talks. Make her associate you with dopamine spikes. Then, vanish for a bit. This emotional roller coaster, it locks you into her brain like a drug. She'll crave those highs again. She'll need them. And the only way to get them is by keeping you close. The ultimate power? The moment she realizes you're not afraid to lose her. Confidence in your value terrifies the insecure. If you show her, through actions, not words, that you'd rather be alone than be undervalued, she'll never look at you the same again. That fear, the fear of losing a man who knows his worth, that's what locks her in. Dark psychology isn't evil. It's understanding how the mind works and using it to your advantage. Subscribe for more truth they don't want you to know.